Hey, what's up? Thanks for watching another video. I have something that I received just today. And just by the way, it is May of 2021. Just want to go over this real quick. I'm about to show the box I received. Just do a quick unboxing. As you see there, this is from the J Balvin site. And he had a song that was called My G. And on the box, as you can see, it says Medellin, Colombia with the stars. And this is an apparent collaboration that he did with a company out there, which is very cool. And this is what says here, the vegan leather hat. And over here it says basically one of the famous lyrics in the song. Basically, it's saying that when nobody gave it to me, I gave it to myself. So let's do this quick unboxing. Get this going. It's gonna be a quick video. Awesome. And along with this, inside, just put this aside for a moment. Little sticker here. See what else there is. My G. And this is, I believe, the logo from the company. So that's pretty cool. So let's put this aside for a moment. Love this box. The detail is very great in this. And here's a leather hat. Again, it says it's a vegan leather hat. Has the little pin here with this. This is embroidered, by the way. It's not screen printed, which I'll show on the inside in a moment. As you can see the embroidery on here. And on the cap over here, it shows, again, that lyric from that song, when nobody gave it to me, I gave it to myself. Which is a great thing. Basically, it's like a motivational way to say, that you don't always have to wait, you go after it. This is all embroidered stars over here. And it says here, I believe it's MDE from the looks of it. Star here. And this is apparently a limited edition. So this is 61 out of 200 made. And you have the back over here, as far as the cap is concerned. Have the logos again over here. It's not as smooth as I would expect, but again though, in the inside though, it's nice. It feels very nice. It's almost like it's very smooth. It's not rough like most of your baseball caps. And this has like a nice smooth finish on here. And this doesn't specify where it was made. I'm looking for that because I always like to look where it's made. I'm sure this was made in Colombia. This came from Colombia. It was actually shipped from Colombia. And you have, again, the logo. It's a very, very nice. It's a nice cap. It's a nice cap. I was expecting it to be a little bit smoother. It feels a little stiff. But again, maybe in time it'll get softer. And this is it. This is pretty much it. There's not much I could say. This is again from the J Balvin song called My G. So if anybody has any questions, comments, check out the other videos. I have some other stuff there. That's pretty much it. And this is an actual very cool piece that comes along with it. So yeah, for the price and the details you're getting out of it, it definitely is something that that's worth it. I might actually even, this is a little sticker here. I'm gonna put these stickers in the back of my laptop. Might as well. It's worth it. Yeah, it was very nice details that goes along with this. This is basically like a keychain type of thing here. So this is for what you're getting out of it. Best quality, Probably not, but again, though, it's something you're not going to see around here. Again, in the States, I mean, whoever gets it, and that's hopefully that makes it, separates you from the common stuff, which I always like to get at times different things that you don't normally see, and again, supporting the businesses out there too. You know, whether small or big, if it's something that I like, I get it. Yeah, this is a keeper. Again, I like the detail, the box. Again, the details in the box is great. So, you know, you have it here. Yeah, whoever thought of this in the marketing part did it for his team, did a very good job. Yeah, if anybody asks me to get it, again, I mean, hopefully hopefully it is 200. If not, then oh well. But you know what? It's still a very, very nice looking cap. Have the stitching here. It's very good. And yeah, if anybody has any other questions, of course, you can always comment. Definitely like, subscribe. E-24G. And thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Appreciate the love.